Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aaliyah. For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, but I've done makeup on my channel a few times before, so it's not that different. But I've seen a trend of people following makeup tutorials and someone else's style, and they would title it, I followed like James Charles' makeup routine or something like that. And this is something a little bit different than that because I've never seen someone do this before. So I'm actually really excited to do it. I know I might be late to the trend and like there's been many other trends before, but this is something I came up with. So yeah, so let's get into the video. So the way this is gonna work is I have 3 saved videos on my phone and Instagram, and I'm going to screen record them just so you can see how I follow them and which videos I'm following. So I have them organized into 3 categories, which is by the hashtag they're in. And so for the first one, it's by Beauty by Julie, and the hashtag for this one is makeup tutorials. It has more hashtags, but this is how I found this video, and I decided that this would be a good one to follow. And so Instagram doesn't have the option to fast forward and pause and everything, so it might be a little bit difficult for me to follow unlike a regular YouTube video, but I think I can follow it. So I'm just going to watch the video to see what kind of things I need. So I'm going to get everything that I need for the makeup look, and then I'll come right back. So I'm going to start screen recording this again. And by the way, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at a mirror. So let's see, let me restart the video. So it looks like she goes in with a green and blue color. I think I'm gonna voice over this part. So this is a palette that I got off of Wish, and it has really bold colors, so that's why I chose it. I don't really usually use it. Then I'm taking this Morphe palette that I used in my last video, and it also has really unique bold colors. I use it for my Halloween look, and I don't really have a yellow color, so I improvised. So I took these 2 green colors. They're kind of bright. So I took these green colors in the palettes I showed you, and I'm looking at the technique that she does to apply it to her eyes. And apparently she just puts it mostly all over her lid and leaves room for the inner corner. But as you can see, the color is not showing up on my eyes. I took a similar brush that she used and I worked it into my crease. I didn't really have a similar blue color, so I mixed these 2 colors together to make the kind of teal ocean blue color that she had, and I think it worked out okay. I'm gonna see if I have another palette similar to that, because honestly the shades in that palette are not working out. So I got out this Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe because the colors are really vibrant in it. So I'm going to take this teal color and this dark blue color, and I'm going to mix them to make a more vibrant color. So now I'm taking this bright yellow color and this kind of beige color and mixing them to make it more brighter. And ooh, that is chalky, but So now I'm taking this metallic heat set by Morphe, and it has really nice glittery colors in it so that I can put it on my eye like she does in her crease. I'm not going to be applying any eyeliner like she does because she puts lashes on later on. The lashes cover the eyeliner anyway. For lashes, I'm going to use the Aaliyah X Jasmine Brown lashes. I really like these ones. So I got the lashes on, and now I'm going to move on to bronzer and highlight and blush and all that stuff. And I also don't do foundation because I don't want my skin to break out. So anyway, yeah. So for lips, I just put on a similar lip liner that she did. I put on some lip gloss and some lipstick, and it turned out to be a similar color like she did. It was like more of a nude pinkish color. So guys, how do you think I did? I think I did horrible because none of the shades were the same. I think I got some similar things, but some I was only gonna do the things that she put in the video, and she didn't do her brows in the video, and she just didn't do certain things that in the video that she did, that she actually did. So I only did what she did in the video, and I think it came out okay. I didn't use all the foundation and stuff because I didn't think I needed it, and like the eyeliner, because I think like the eyelashes cover the eyeliner anyway. But I think it turned out okay. And from a scale 1 to 10, I think this look was around 5 or 6. So let's move on to the next one.